Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add and customize the page flip button in your Simplebooklet. This button makes navigation easier for your readers and can be fully styled to match your booklet's design. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the page flip button. We're going to want to make sure that our page flip button is toggled on. So you can see this is what mine is right now. I'm going to make sure it's toggled on, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the pencil icon next to it to edit it. So here's where we can customize our page flip button. You can adjust the icon itself. So we have a number of different arrow options as well as some other ones. So for this tutorial, I'll pick on the finger option. You can change the shape, which is very cool. Let's go square for this. And then you can choose between black or white for the color. You can also choose the placement of the buttons themselves. Cool, I'm going to go top for this one. And then the size of the button as well. Let's go as big as possible for this tutorial. And then the opacity. So yeah, I think I'm going to go keep it at 100% here. And then once you're satisfied with all your different settings, just go ahead and click on the Done button. And that will save your changes. So as you can see, we have our new customized page flip buttons here. Might be a little big for some people's liking, but yeah, you can completely tailor it towards your booklet and how you want your readers to interact with your buttons. But yeah, your page flip button is now customized and ready, providing an easy and stylish way for readers to navigate your content. A well-designed page flip button enhances the attention and immersion stages of the reader's journey. It allows readers to seamlessly explore your content, keeping them engaged and reducing friction. By giving them a clear and attractive navigation option, you ensure they stay focused and enjoy a smooth, interactive experience. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.